Hey guys, it's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. I wanted to give you a great tour of the Model T76. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-living area home that is just awesome. My first time walking in, so I just want to show you around. Features in this home are this oversized dining area, plenty of room for a big table, and love this huge island that's done here in the kitchen. A great preparation station. You can see the plugs there in the end of the island. Lots of cabinets, beautiful light in this home. Comes all the way around, even got the light box over the island. This home is currently featured with the stainless steel appliance package as an option, but it is just incredible. But one of my favorite things in this home is this huge, and I mean huge, walk-in pantry. When you come into this pantry area, you'll see that you've got the ventilated shelving so you can see everything that you've got in storage, but that's not all of it. It actually curves all the way around, and look at the depth and the size of this pantry. This thing is huge, great for a big family. This home is ideal for a large family. Now, this home is being featured with what we call the Western package, which has the tape and texture finishes up here through the living room. There is an option, if you wish, to place a fireplace over in that corner. We'll come back down and I'll show you another really nice feature in this home. Is a second living room, which is something that was just recently added. You've got a hall bath here with the dual vanity. These are China sinks that are in here. But I want you to see this awesome second living area. So in this second living area, lo and behold, there's the fireplace. Super great entertainment room. Wonderful area for the family to gather for those fun nights watching movies. Plenty of room over the fireplace to install your TV, as we've done here in this home. As I mentioned, this is a 4-bedroom home, so you've got 1 and then 2, bedroom number 2, and these are good sized rooms that are in here. And then you've got bedroom number 3. A couple other really features that are really nice in here is you've got all the overhead vents, so you've got the freedom of your furniture placement. We'll walk back here to the primary bedroom. I want you to see the size of this room. It's just enormous. So this is your primary bedroom, and I'm talking about plenty of room for a sitting area, extra seating, the big oversized bed with the end tables. You also have an option. This is one of the closets that's in this home. This is a big walk-in closet off the primary suite. Can also be converted to a study or an extra a little office area. It's got a really impressive master suite. The primary suite done with a dual vanity. You'll see the big framed mirror that's here. The big 72-inch soaker tub. I really like that they brought the transom light in over the top of the tub. To the left of this big vanity area, you also have a makeup station that's flanked by 2 different linen storage areas. Commode is kind of tucked away for privacy. And then when you come back around this, you've got your shower area. And this shower is just awesome. This is the big jet coat shower with the tower shower feature that's in it. So popular for so many people. They just love it. You've got an oversized linen storage closet, and in this bathroom you not only have that linen storage, but you also have a second big walk-in closet. So you literally have a his and hers closet in this home. If you would like more information, we'd be happy to provide it to you. Again, this is the Model T76, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet of beautiful living area. Really open up in this front living room and kitchen dining area. It just really strikes you when you come in. If you'd like more information on this home, you're welcome to give us a call. We're at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene, Texas at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene. The phone number is 325-480-0035. Please give us a call, stop in, and let us know how we can help you. This is Bill Wilkins at Oak Creek Homes in the T76. Hope to have you guys come down and take a tour.